Good day, I'm Abdi Berges from BSIT4B and will be presenting how to install Ubuntu on VMware. Now first, let's search Ubuntu on our web browsers. Then, when you click the first link, it will show you the necessary informations about Ubuntu. Just scroll down in here to know more. Then let's go back and click the download button to install our ISO file for Ubuntu. Now just scroll down in here, and as you can see, just click the download. But since I've already downloaded it, let's just proceed to the VMware. Now create new, then typical, next, and click the second one to install our Ubuntu file that we've downloaded early on. Then next, and put your full name and the username and password that you wanted. Apple Pie 219. Then again, next. Now I'm fine with this capacity, so I will not change this. Next. Then customize hardware. Then just change it however your laptop can handle. Then finish. Now let's just wait. Since it will be long, I will just fast forward this video. Now next, again. Now let's just something else, the next, and revert the new partition and continue. Then click in here and choose the first one, that, then OK, and install now. Continue again, continue. Then I will choose in here Philippines to be more specific. Then continue. Input your name and create again a password. Apple Pie 219, then continue. I will fast forward this again video. Then we will now restart. Now we are finally logging in. Input the password Apple Pie 219. And that's it. Now we finally made it to activity 3. Thank you all for watching.